Corner's ready. Driver's ready. On the tone. Oh, piling them up even before the first jump.
Restart.
Well, we lost 3 out of the 10. Why would we restart? No, you lose half the field, then I'll restart them. Canada, they restart if you have 1 spin out in the first 5 laps.
Restart then.
7 minutes long, lots of time to make up ground. Oh, watch the backstretch, watch the backstretch, watch the backstretch. Caution on the backstretch. Oh, JP. That was awesome.
I can't see my car.
One minute in, it's Tyler Martell, Tim Jusings, Woody Garwood, Schellenberg, Olsen, Yo, Fitzpatrick, Brandon, Scott, and Ross. Mod, 2-wheel short course on deck, race 7. Mod, 2-wheel short course up next. Let's find your leader. Going through the triples, in the south end doubles, into the switchbacks is your leader, the white with the red nose. Tim Justings in the orange running second. Where's Woody? Woody going over the step up in third. Terry Yo in 4. Kevin 5. Eric, Brandon, Dan, Scott, and then Ross. Tim closing in on Tyler a little bit around the off-camber, down the hill, down the front stretch. The gap is 1.6. Tim was about half a second faster that last lap. Through the table into the triples. Tim going triples. Tyler went double single. Up over the step, up they go. 3 down, 4 to go. It's a dry race down the front stretch now. Tyler and Tim. And here comes Woody around the off-camber by himself in third. He's got a gap back to Terry Yo in fourth. Oh, we lose Tyler in the back section. Tim Justings now to the lead. Tim now with a big lead now. Tyler having a disastrous lap. 32-second lap. Going to put him 6 seconds back. So Tim now all by himself in the bright orange. Tyler by himself in second. Woody all by himself in third. Oh, Woody rolls it over. Where's Yo? Here comes Yo through the double. So now the closest battle on the track right now, Woody Garwood over the step up. Ross Moore, that's your third place car right behind you. Here comes Terry Yo. So Woody and Terry now battling for third. Woody picking his way through traffic down the backstretch like a surgeon. So with 2:30 left to go, it's Tim, Tyler, Woody, Terry, Kevin, your top 5, followed by Dan, Eric, Ross, Brandon, Scott. Scott walking off the stand. Eric Olson, that's your 4th place car behind you. Thank you, Eric. See if Terry can chase down Woody now. That's the closest battle. Down the back stretch they go. Woody's going to start getting nervous. Yeah. Tight jumper. Woody taking a shortcut. Back stretch, clear. Down the front stretch, that is the battle on the track. Woody and Terry. Schellenberg and Fitzpatrick battling for 5th and 6th. Oh, Fitzpatrick getting in trouble. Schellenberg now going to take that number 5 spot. Back to the Garwood Yo battle over the step up around the off camber. 1 minute to go. Can Woody hang on to 3rd? Kevin, that's your 3rd place car coming right behind you. Oh, Woody get a little loose on the triples. There's Yo. Yo with the inside move on Woody to take over 3rd. Up around the off camera they go. Yo and Garwood down the front stretch. Canada versus USA. 20 seconds left to go. Your leader, Tim Justin's up over the step up around the off camber. No, Tyler your lead now. I don't know what happened to Tim, but Martell back to the lead. Last lap. Drag race. Oh, and Tim and Tyler get together through the table triples. Where's Garwood and Yo? Garwood and Yo get together. Garwood back to 3rd. Race him to the line, drivers. When you cross the line, you'll be done. Tyler over the step up. Tim over the step up. Tyler, one more corner, gonna take the win. Tim was 2nd. Garwood looks like he's gonna get 3rd. Your top 4 cars all getting involved with each other.